Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's world, we deal with a lot of transactions from buying groceries to paying for education or even traveling abroad. We use different kinds of money for these things. Now imagine you have a knife to cut mangoes and someone else has a bottle of milk. You both need each other's stuff? What would you do? In such a situation, an agreement between two parties may take place where you give away your mango cutting knife in exchange for the bottle of milk. Both parties get what they want. They gain something and lose something in the process. This is called the barter system. Now, think about what would happen if you tried using this barter system to buy a car. You would need to find someone who has a car and is willing to accept, let's say, 10 bottles of milk in exchange for the car. Plus, how do you know how much your car is worth in terms of milk? In order to solve these problems, humans created a new invention called money. At first, it was in the form of shells and stones, then coins and paper money, and later credit cards, debit cards, and checks. The whole idea was to have a medium of exchange that everyone accepted, and that medium is what we call money today. So now, you don't need to carry around bottles of milk to trade for things that you want. All you need is money. However, this doesn't solve one major problem. Not everything has equal value. Car cannot be exchanged for 10 bottles of milk, 20 bottles of milk, or even 100 bottles of milk. Its value keeps fluctuating. So how do you determine the value of an asset like a car or anything for that matter? To solve this, we made money valuable, and we assign values to things based on that money. Like we say $10,000 is the value of this car. So you give $10,000 in exchange for the car. But there's still a problem here. So imagine you want to buy a Lamborghini, but you don't have $100,000 to buy it. So you borrow some money from a friend. Your friend gives you $100,000 and says you have to return him $100,600 after 1 month. Why does he ask you to return more money? The extra money that he asks you to pay is called interest. But the problem is, sometimes this interest can be really high. It can go up to 12% per year, or even higher. That means if you owe $1,000, you have to pay $120 extra as interest to the owner of that $1,000 every single year. But what if there was a way to own money without anyone controlling it? What if it belonged to everyone? That's exactly what happened when Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin. He released a paper that explained how his new invention worked, and that invention was called blockchain. In this method, the entire population controlled the currency. There was no government or bank involved in the process, so nobody could print more money to make themselves richer. They couldn't increase interest rates to earn more money either, because there was no central bank. This meant that the only way to get rich was to buy some of this new currency and hold on to it so that its price appreciates. Sounds great, right? You would be surprised to know that the first Bitcoin transaction happened in May 2010. When one person paid 10,000 Bitcoin to buy 2 pizzas. The price of Bitcoin was $0.0008 at the time. Today, one pizza costs approximately 25,000 Bitcoin. If that guy had kept his Bitcoin, he would be a millionaire. Do you want to know what he did instead? He threw away his Bitcoin because he thought it was useless. But do you know why he did that? That's a story we often hear about people who earned lots of money overnight and threw it away. So how much money did he actually throw away? Well, considering the current value of Bitcoin, he tossed out around $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. What a crazy decision, right? You know? At first, the idea of digital money was hard to understand. Just like when email first came out or the internet started. No one believed in it. But look at us now. Everything runs on the internet. Crypto is simply the evolution of money. It's the way the world will do business in the coming years. People usually hesitate to accept change, but once they get used to it, it becomes a part of their lives. Do you know that there are currently 10,000 cryptocurrencies in the market? Out of these, the top 5 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, and XRP. And guess what? Most of these cryptocurrencies are still on a developing stage and have a bright future ahead of them. If you want to make money from crypto, you need to be careful. Here's your cheat sheet for staying safe in the world of crypto. First, keep your crypto assets safe in a wallet. It's like a bank account for crypto. Pick a wallet that fits your needs. Next, diversify your crypto portfolio. Research, research, research. Before buying any crypto, check out its potential. Understand how it works and the team behind it. Join communities and forums to learn from others. Be wary of scams and fake projects. And finally, start small. Just don't go all in from the start. Gain experience and confidence as you go. To sum up everything, we can say that in today's technologically advanced world, crypto has become the need of the hour. It's time to embrace crypto and make it a part of our lives. After all, it is the future of money. But there's one question that's been on everyone's mind lately. Well, to answer that question, let us take a moment to explore the path that lies ahead for crypto and how you can navigate it successfully. A crypto roadmap is basically your guide to understanding and navigating the world of crypto. It's all about getting you up to speed on this new form of money. Think of it as your key to unlocking the exciting world of crypto. So here's your ultimate cheat sheet for cracking the crypto code. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into the deep end, start with the basics. Learn what a blockchain is, what a crypto wallet is, and how to buy and sell crypto. Familiarize yourself with popular exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Don't forget to brush up on basic trading concepts like market orders and limit orders. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is essential for managing your crypto assets. Choose a wallet that suits your needs, whether it's a software wallet like Exodus or a hardware wallet like Ledger. Securely store your private keys and follow best practices for wallet security. Step 3. Start small. Don't go all in right away. Start with a small investment that you're comfortable with. Buy a small amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum and gradually increase your holdings as you gain experience and confidence. Step 4. Practice safe investing. Never invest in something you don't understand. Go research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Look into the project's technology, team, and potential use cases. Consider seeking advice from trusted sources and diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. Step 5. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest crypto news, trends, and regulations. Follow industry publications, join crypto communities, and attend events to stay updated on all things crypto. Remember, while crypto offers exciting opportunities, it also comes with risks. By following these steps and educating yourself, you can navigate the crypto world more confidently and make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, this guide will help you unlock the endless possibilities that lie ahead. So what are you waiting for? And that's all for today. We hope you liked our video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.